Okay. That should be better now. Hopefully everyone comes back. Oh, that's frustrating. Okay. So I have the NT reference. Now, if I'm going to be windowing, right, in here, I need to be able to do what? It is context.systems dot render. Let's do. Okay. Let's go in here. There's that, and that. Innate double doot. Void. Render. And in here, need to do void system render. Hopefully that's all that I need. Right, because the context hits render, right? And then in here, because I have the render list, right? Yeah, I'm gonna say for const auto reference sys in render list for const auto and in sys.entities do stuff. Well, for one, I need to do sys function. I'm gonna do that at the very least, right? Hopefully everyone comes back. It's gonna be disappointing. Okay. So I have the rect, right? And in display, what's happening? In display, it does context 0 systems. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I like doing that. So I can more specifically dereference things. So context render is that, right? Which means what exactly? Let's just do std cout am rendering let's build and see what happens. Should be fine that it failed. Wait, window display function does not, yeah. It should fail. Because now it should be fine, except it's not fine. sprog ID, yeah. It needs to have the CTX. Yeah, there we go. Damn it, I lost all my viewers, so that should work now. It is not doing it. Why? Probably because it's not actually added. Yeah. We're instructing to push back this. All the other ones worked. Rect. Oh, I don't have any entities with that. Correct. Yeah, that's right. R1 equals entity. Except I need, wait, it's a pointer, right? Yeah. CTX. R1 plus components rects. Yeah, it should be fine. Yeah. And this should build. And then should be spamming, yep. And rendering at stupid FPS. Good, perfect, that works. So it is calling it. Okay. So where is it? So I need to get rid of that. I also need to figure out what else needs to be passed in. Right. Because if we go back to windowing, windowing.cpp, we have use program ID and draw arrays, right? Which means that it would be best if I can pass in the, let's see, where is it? It would be best if this is, instead of that, instead of an E, it'd be a render struct, right? Pointer rs, right? sys. And then render struct. And then this is actually a render struct pointer sys. So it should be passing in its own system, which also means that here, this needs to be a render struct pointer sys. Right? Yeah. So it should be able to do that, which means that now I can start storing a bunch of other random crap in with the render struct. It also means a lot of other crap needs to be in it too. But that should be fine, I believe. Because this is yeah. Alright, is that correct? It should be fine. Because then this way I can go in here and do things, right? I mean, these are immutable, so it can't be by the value or something along those lines, something like that. Okay. So in here, we have the context systems render. That runs through everything. That will run through why is this not to render struct? Yeah, need const of type const. Render struct is incompatible with parameter type. System render struct. That's a const reference. Yeah, I don't need that to be a const reference. I don't even think that this needs to be a const entity either. Well, this blows. Stupid internet. Yeah, now my internet's just fine. God damn it. Whoop. So much for people in my stream, I guess. That blows. That really blows hard. Because now I'm pretty sure it's fine. 2 minutes ago, whatever. Bunch a few seconds ago. Yeah, I'm having a lot of dropped frames. This is really getting frustrating. It's fine. We have work to do. Okay. So, what actually happens in here? What do we want to do? Oh, come on. Okay, whatever. Okay, so here we have GLU's program. Oh, but here I can be doing that in a different place. Yeah, I could do that in render. Right, so like in here, I can say, hey, get the, like when it gets created, you would store the render program in there, right? So in here, I should have hash include shader.h, right? Because the render system will have a thing. Which also means I need to be able to set stuff, right? Because of how, let's take a look at shader.cpp. Shader.cpp has attach all and then use program. Why am I not saying prog.use in here? Because I could. I guess I actually don't need to have Coolant ID. I can delete that. I can delete that. And down here, I can delete that. Right. And this is because of the previous pollution. So I can save that, I can save this, I can save this. Right. Because all I need to do is run the render context. Because the render system back here in here, the render system, the system will hold all of the information necessary, right? So what is actually necessary for shader proc? Well, you need to create a vertex shader and a fragment shader. Yeah. Because I just need to be able to pass in the vertex shader and the fragment shader. Those will be pointers. And then that should be it, because I just need to be able to pass in set t render struct. Yeah, you have the